As Jackson put it, the evidence is there with such authenticity and in such detail that there can be no responsible denial of these crimes in the future, and no tradition of martyrdom of the Nazi leaders can arise among informed people. And he hoped to create a precedent that would make explicit that to persecute, oppress, and do violence to individuals or to minorities on political, racial, or religious grounds is an international crime. Today, 50-plus years later, the world is again witnessing an attempt to apply that precedent in new war crimes proceedings in Brussels and in Rwanda, to serve again as the voice of human decency following the unspeakable atrocities in Rwanda and in Bosnia-Herzegovina. We're following the path beaten by Robert Jackson for the protection of basic human liberties. You're doing a very good thing here in opening and maintaining and operating this Jackson Center. It does matter, and probably now more than it ever did. My former law school classmate was Bill Rehnquist, who became our Chief Justice. I think he was a wonderful Chief Justice, and I was in law school with him when he was hired as a law clerk by Justice Robert Jackson. And all of us, his classmates, were overjoyed that one of our class members was going to clerk the court, and we were thrilled that he clerked for Justice Jackson.
What strikes me most about his court work was his masterful use of the English language. What makes this mastery truly impressive is the fact that Jackson had no formal education beyond high school, except a year at the Albany Law School. And certainly law schools are not places known for their teachers of great English prose style. Surely Jamestown and Chautauqua County can be proud of the career of their native son on both the national and the international scene. Thank you.
This center stands as a magnificent monument to this great justice. It has attracted numerous visitors from our court, as you've heard. Exactly 10 years ago yesterday, Chief Justice William Rehnquist presided over the dedication of the center. Rehnquist was, of course, law clerk to Robert Jackson, and as it has been noted, I had the privilege of being law clerk to William Rehnquist. And when I was practicing law, I also carried the briefcase of Barrett Prettyman, another Jackson clerk, also here today. So I feel a special tie to the Jackson Center through those connections, and I am especially proud to share this anniversary celebration.
Robert Jackson Center yesterday.
Yes, I did. I thought it was a remarkable tribute to the justice. He would have been proud to see what has been done with his center.
I'm thrilled to see this thing physically here, and with the generous contributions of your donors who are here today. This is a great thing to do.
Members of the bench and bar must aim their efforts at working together to build a cathedral, what we call the rule of law. It is an endeavor in which we should take great pride. I congratulate the Jackson Center on 10 sterling years supporting that endeavor. Thank you very much.